I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer, and today I want to share with you how I keep my guest supplies organized. We have a pretty small home, we don't have a lot of storage space, and we don't have a dedicated guest room. So my solution to that has been to keep all my guest items in one bin, and it's up on a pretty high shelf so it's out of the way. But I have my towels, my sheets, anything that the guests might need. I like to put a dryer sheet in here so it stays nice and fresh, but these are sheets and towels that are only for guests, so nobody else in the family uses them. I want my guests to feel welcome. I want them to feel comfortable while they're here. So even if they're on a blow-up bed or in one of the kids' rooms, they know that they've got everything that they need. So my guest basket has towels, a hair dryer, laundry bag, slippers, a candle, shampoo, conditioner, lotion, anything that they could possibly need, some bottles of water, and depending on who the guest is, sometimes I'll put something in that's a little more personal, maybe a book that I'd like to share with them, a magazine about what to do here in town while they're visiting. So I really want them to feel special and welcome when they're here. When my visitors have left, I wash my sheets and towels, put it all back in the bin. I do put a dryer sheet in there just to keep it fresh, and all the other supplies that I might need, I put back in the bin, cover it up, it zips on the top so that way no dust gets in it, and then I put it back up on the shelf and I'm ready for the next time we have visitors. I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. If you would like to learn how to keep you and your family organized, check us out at sarasotahomeorganizer.com and follow us on social media.